The 29th of April, 2024. Nature officially announces disbandment after 6 years. After nearly 6 years as a group, the members of Nature will be going their separate ways. On the 27th of April, n.CH Entertainment released an official statement announcing that Nature had disbanded. The agency also revealed that Sohee would be staying at n.CH Entertainment and pursuing a solo career in music and acting. Nature first debuted. Nature officially announces disbandment after 6 years. The post Nature officially announces disbandment after 6 years first appeared on Soompi.